If you are trying to choose a name for your brand, it can be quite challenging. So many things to consider, and where do you even start? No worries, let me help you out. Let's begin with the different categories that your name can fit into. There are 5 main categories for brand names, and these are names based on the founder, business description, made up words, metaphors, and acronyms. Hi, myself Azim, a brand strategist and a founder of Royal Advertising Agency. Work with 50 plus brands to empower them by making strong, memorable and appealing. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to check out the previous videos. The most popular way to name your brand is to name it after the founder. This works well if you are an artist or designer or someone with a huge personality, because your brand is your work and is you. For example, Giorgio Armani, the designer, uses his own name and shares his style and classy designs with the public. Ben & Jerry's ice cream is named after the two friends who shared their love of ice cream. The Sanjeev Kapoor brand, named after the renowned chef with a big personality, sharing his experience with the cooking. Paul Newman, sharing his love for salad dressing. His brand has so much personality that each of his dressings shows the founder dressed in different costumes, promoting their dressing. The most successful brands that use the founder's name usually have the founder sharing their products, their passion or their expertise with the world. The second category is business description, where the name directly describes your business. For instance, Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce company that offers a wide range of products online. Paytm, a popular Indian digital payment platform that enables a quick and easy online transactions. Swiggy, an Indian food delivery platform, conveys the idea of swift delivery service. Band-Aid, an adhesive bandage to aid and cover your minor wounds. By using a descriptive name, customers can easily understand what your brand is about and the niche you specialize in. The third brand name category is using made-up words based on real words to sound cool and new. Pixar, the animation studio's brand name, came from the word pixel and based on Spanish verb meaning to take pictures. Clorox, the famous bleach brand, is named after its main ingredient, sodium hypochlorite, a salt. Hola, the name came from the Spanish word hola, which says hello. So by this, the owner want to say that their services are easy and gracious. And Pepsi, the famous drink, actually got its name from an enzyme called pepsin, which breaks down proteins to aid digestion. And that's what the owner of Pepsi originally marketed, a drink that aids digestion. The fourth brand name category is using metaphors to evoke a feeling. The Pedigree brand sells dog food. Pedigree by definition is the record of descent of an animal, showing it to be purebred. Buying their brand makes you feel like you're buying a quality food for your pet. The Kryptonite brand sells bike locks. Kryptonite is a green rock that even Superman is afraid of. Buying their brand makes you feel like your bike lock is so strong, not even Superman can steal it. The Budget brand is a car rental service. Renting a car from their brand make you feel like you're getting the best deal in town. The Red Bull brand is an energy drink. If you bought their drink, you will feel like you will have enough energy to rival a bull. They even have a slogan, Red Bull gives you wings. You know that it's a ridiculous claim, and yet the power of metaphor cannot be ignored. And the fifth brand name category is using acronyms. You would use this strategy if your name is just too long, not catchy enough, not pleasant, or you want to expand beyond your market. Do you know the company International Business Machines? Probably not. Sounds too long for a name. That's why they use the acronym IBM. Now it's easier to remember. Ever heard of that Anand Milk Union Limited? Sounds so boring, right? That's why they named Amul. Sounds way better, catchy too. At one point, the Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant was named just that. But they realized that it didn't sound pleasant enough. In fact, fried chicken sounded unhealthy, so they changed it to KFC. Don't need to change their business model or food, just their name, just like KFC. The Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation didn't like how their name sounded. It was limiting, as if they could only do business in Asia. So they changed it to HSBC, and now it sounds like a global brand. here are the action items in this episode. If you're having a hard time choosing a name, it will help if you think within these 5 categories. First, a brand name can be named after the founder, creating a connection between yourself and your products. Second, a name that describes your business, which will allow consumers to immediately know what your brand is about and what niche you specialize in. Third, a name that is made up. You do this to sound cool and new. Fourth, a name that is a metaphor of a real word. This serves as an analogy and evokes an emotion. And fifth, a name that is an acronym. This will help if you want to shorten a long name, make it catchier or more versatile. Now you know all the major categories that your brand name could fall under. We are closer to narrowing down your ideas. Let's keep going. In the next episode, we will cover some naming rules. Until then, take care and stay tuned.